In today's video, we're going to learn how to fix the path not tagged error when testing a document for WCAG compliance using the PAC 2024 tool. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and before we jump into today's video, I'd like to remind you to hit that subscribe button so that I can keep bringing you the most up-to-date content. Now let's check out how to fix that problem. I currently have open the PAC 2024 PDF accessibility checker, and I'm going to drag my document into the tester, and the error that we are looking to fix today is an error called path object not tagged. To fix this error, I'm going to open up my document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, and I'm going to go to the content panel. From here, I'm going to expand this content, and on page 1, there are already a whole bunch of different paths in here. Now, this is a common problem when converting a document from one file type into PDF. And what we're going to do is I'm going to select all of these path tags, right-click them, and select Create Artifact. And then with this Create Artifact box open, I'm going to select Page and then select OK. Then we can save the file. We can go back into the PAC tester. And right now there are 303 errors on this document for that specific failure content. Let's see how many we knocked it down to. We knocked it down to 272. So there are some additional errors here, and we would go ahead and start cleaning up those additional errors. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, check out the link in the description of this video. And if you want to see additional PDF accessibility tips, I have entire playlists in this category that can help you learn how to do this document remediation on your own if you would like. With that said, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.